come out here for at that time of the morning. Okay, you're on round 2, so no tuition needed, Bruce. This is your day to get the big one. Nail it this time. Oh, you miss him! You cannot have the bail arm over. Yeah, I reckon we can start again. Oh no. You can turn the drag about half a turn. Half a turn. Have you got a bit of a chance on him? You need to turn over that now before he gets angry. Just half a turn. And now try and deal with him. Too much? No, that's fine. Some bent right out. Turn around. Bit snapper. Is that a little head bobby thing? Closer to the leader, can't we? No.
Closer, my shoulder wasn't naked.
Oh. Haven't even seen any colour yet. Oh, there's some colour. Snapper or kingfish?
Snapper?
It's a big snapper. Beauty to start the morning.
Is it a snapper?
Or is it a trev?
It's blue.
Oh, look at that. It's a beauty. Get that net. It's a big trev, man. Look at that. It's a cracker. You've got it. You can pull it over. And then release the colour. And I've been snagged. Oh, I think I'm on for fish. You're all by yourself now, Bruce. That's a beautiful sized trev.
Right over that side, Andrew.
Yeah.
You got a fish on?
Yeah. Feel those knots. This is the one you got up for, Bruce. Oh, yeah! Oh. If he wants to go, just let him go because you've got depth. You just want to be patient and don't let that line ever slack off. If it has a belly in the line,
You'll spit it out.
spit the hook, yeah. That is a beautiful shot. That sun in the background. You like that weight?
Yeah, he took it off. Sort of about who gets drawn out first, isn't it?
It's about. He hasn't given up yet. He's doing well. So you've gained the colour. Just coming into green.
That's the one he took the first time.
I'm hoping this is your big snapper, man. And if he spits the hook at the front, you don't replace it.
When he gets to the top.
Yeah. Feeling the burn.
Good morning, everybody.
It's another day at work for Bruce. Second trip out soft baiting. Determined to catch the one that got away the other day. Hopefully this is it. Come on, bear snapper. I'm in anticipation.
old shark, I'm going to be very disappointed, or Granddaddy Hardbogger. Will have smoked all your energy for you big fish. Very patient game you're playing. And it was a shark. Have fun with that, Bruce.
What do you do with that?
You're going to have to get our hook back. You able to do this or not?
I'm gonna give you a hand.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to learn.
Well, how good's his dentures?
They're probably pretty good, I'd imagine.
Look at them. Had a few of them try and jump me. Oh, he hasn't got many teeth, has he? Oh no! There's my flash pliers.
Oh, they're gone!
He grabbed him! Oh, that's shocking. Now we're cutting the line. Unless you're putting your hands in there. There's a knife on the other side.
Here you go.
Awesome. I'd like to wind up. This could be a snapper. I feel like he's wanting to go under the other side. I think when you get a chance, you might try and get him over the front. When I get a chance. Don't put any more drag on it. Put your back into it. Bruce is feeling the burn again.
I'm gonna get that over.
Oh, just. Oh no!
Don't do that.
Like that. Good work. It was good timing, Bruce. You got him over. Just take your time because you got heaps of depth with him.
Yeah, it's just gone light.
Yeah. Because he hit so high up, he might not be as big as you'd think.
Oh,
Bugger. Spat. Oh, nothing you can do about that. Yeah, I reckon. Yeah, it's good. Snapper down there, but
where should I chuck him in the bag or
in the bin, we want. Look at that.
Choice. What have we got here?
Beauty.
Blue cod.
Oh, you got a
blue cod.
granddad. Oh.
Granddaddy.
This blue cod's going in the bin. That's a nice sized blue cod, that one.
Wicked.
That's it. There's going to be lots of kingfish.
Or shark.
And be ready to get hit quite high because the fish just don't run. If it's shallow as 30 metres all the way through to 50. So do a big bail arm over it about 30, 40 metres, give it a time because you could get just all the way through. Got it?
Got it
Already? Didn't even get down there. Yep, same.
Got a little head bobby going on.
Yep, that's snapper. Just don't know how good it is yet. It's good bend. It's good bend. Oh yeah, alright. Mine hasn't wasted yet.
Yeah. Hasn't had a coffee.
He's going. He's about to go. What is that hanging out the side of his mouth?
There he's worked it out now.
Yours has too.
What's that? Worked it out.
Yep. Double hooker.
You know what we should do? We should go out just a little bit wider from that pinnacle. Whatever you do, don't touch your line on the side of the ski.
You're becoming an expert now. What do you got? We'll be throwing that back because that's not what you came here for.
You need to go a bit longer, you reckon? Still pretty proud of it.
It's still a nice fish, but just try and release him back in the water.
How do you do this? Do you flip the bail arm over? Or
You flick your bail arm over while you deal, once you grab the hook. You can? Yeah.
So you just give it a bit more strength?
Yeah, just so you don't put too much bend on that rod tip.
Yeah.
Check out the blue iridescent on the fins, pretty cool. Give me you. I'll just roll that hook out. Oh, my guy hasn't finished yet.
How do you
Pretty
roll?
good when you throw it, fish like that back.
How do you roll that out?
Just click it out basically.
See you, mate.
Good work.
Is that rooted or keep fishing with it?
Now we'll put a new one on.
Get rid
Oh,
of it?
yeah, I'm a little way away. There's no point in putting a bait down like that. This won't be interesting. Arms.
Bait
A
with
bit of colour down there.
finger.
What is he? Just another Northland Manny. Coming a little bit out the back there, Bruce. Just got to look at the state of him. He's not bad. I don't think he's going to survive though. Is he? With that hanging out, we'll put that one in the smoker, eh?
Yep.
I think. Look at the fat belly on him. Beauty.
Wow.
Try again. You're right. Into them already, Bruce. Not even down there. I'm on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's happening on the way through.
Oh.
Oh,
Let go.
yeah, let go. He was only hanging on by the tail. He could come back though. Yep, he's back.
Really?
He'll come back. Might not be the same grunter though. More water.
So I'm trying to have a go then.
Yep. Well, I think the fish has stopped biting, Bruce.
Yep.